Hello, I'm Matthew. Today's video lesson is about colours in English. Knowing the names of colours in English is very important. So, let's find out their names. Today, you will learn the name of 12 colours. Let's start, listen, and try to repeat. Red, blue, green, orange, yellow, purple, grey, brown, pink, indigo, black, white. Now, let's go over them quickly. Red, blue, green, orange, yellow, purple, grey, brown, pink, indigo, black, white. So now you know the names of colours in English. Today, we learnt the names of 12 different colours in English. Thanks for watching. See you later.